Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Kia Sportage with a key. First, locate the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Insert your physical key fully into the keyhole. Gently turn the key clockwise until you feel the lock disengage. Then, simply pull the door handle to open your vehicle. This method is reliable, especially if your key fob battery is low or not working. It's a fundamental skill for any Sportage owner. For convenience, most Kia Sportage models come with a key fob. To unlock your car remotely, simply press the unlock button on your fob. You should hear a click or see the lights flash, indicating the doors are now open. This is the quickest way to access your vehicle from a short distance, and it often unlocks all doors simultaneously. Always ensure your fob battery is fresh for optimal performance. What if your car battery is dead or your key fob isn't working? Don't worry, most Kia key fobs have a hidden physical key. Slide the release button on the fob to extract it. Then, insert this physical key into the driver's side door lock. Turn it to manually unlock the door. This ensures you can always get into your Sportage, even in a complete power outage. If you're having trouble, first check your key fob battery. A fresh one often solves remote issues. If using the physical key, ensure the blade isn't bent or damaged, as this can prevent it from turning properly. If your key gets stuck or breaks inside the lock, it's best to contact a professional locksmith or your Kia dealership to avoid further damage to the lock mechanism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.